You can now see the famous Inspiration Train online with a 360 virtual tour. The unique exhibition train tells the story of the railway's past, present and future. Celebrating 200 years since the birth of the modern railway. A new railway bridge took shape at the former Exxon site in Bowling. The bridge is a key element of the Glasgow City Region deal. Designed to improve transport links, unlock economic growth and support sustainable development. A steel structure of a new £60 million railway bridge over the M6 has been completed. It measures 130 metres in length and weighs in at around 4,200 tonnes. And will ensure trains can run safely and reliably along the route. We've begun work this weekend to replace Reading Spur Junction. A Kiro crane will lift the new junction into place alongside 8 road rail vehicles to move materials. The renewal will improve journeys for the 20 million of you using Reading Station each year. Funding to restore the Cowley branch line in Oxford was announced this week. 2 new stations at Cowley and Littlemore will connect you to Oxford city centre for the first time in 60 years. This means quicker, greener journeys and better access to jobs, education and London.